Hello, my dear students. How are you all doing? I hope you're perfectly fine. I heartily welcome you all in our next online video class. In previous class, we had discussed about subject and predicate. In this video, we are going to discuss about how you have to attempt all these worksheets or assignments related to the topic subject and predicate. I, your English subject teacher, recommend you to take these online video classes very seriously and maintain your copy work regularly. Come on, students, take your pen, notebook, and don't forget to concentrate. Let's start the class. Your first question is multiple choice questions. In these questions, three options are given to you. Firstly, you have to read all these questions very carefully and then identify the suitable options to the given question. Your first question is, he runs fast. Find out the subject in this sentence. Your options are, first option, he, second option, runs, third option, fast. Students, can you identify the subject in this sentence? We have practiced a lot of on subject and predicate in previous video. So, I hope it is clear by now how to find the subject in the sentences. Students, to find out the subject, firstly you have to find out the noun or pronoun in the given sentence. I have already told you that any noun or pronoun in any sentence is called the subject. So, firstly you have to find out the noun or pronoun in the given sentence. Students, can you identify the noun or pronoun in this sentence? Yes, he. He is the pronoun. So, it is the subject. So, your right answer is option number A. Second question. The children are enjoying in the park. Find out the subject in this sentence. Your options are, first option, the children, second option, are enjoying, third option, in the park. Students, can you identify the noun or pronoun in the given sentence? Yes, the children. Children is a noun, so it is a subject. So your right answer is option number A. Question number third. A sentence is a blank. Students, in previous video, we have discussed about what a sentence is. A sentence is it group of words? Is it group of letters? Or is it group of lines? Yes, a sentence is a group of words. So your right answer is option number A. Your fourth question is, who are you? Find out the subject in this sentence. Your options are, first option who, second option are, third option you. Students, can you identify the noun or pronoun in this sentence? Yes, you. You is pronoun, so it is the subject. So your right answer is option number C. A sentence can be divided into blank. Your options are, first option 3 parts, second option 2 parts, third option 4 parts. Students, can you tell me the parts of sentence? How many parts of a sentence? Yes, there are 2 parts of a sentence. So your right answer is option number B. Question number 6. Which one of the following are 2 parts of sentence? Your options are, first option assertive and interrogative. Option number B, subject and predicate. Option number C, imperative and exclamatory. So students, what is the right answer? Yes, option number B, subject and predicate. Subject and predicate are the two parts of sentence. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is fill in the blanks. Students, these blanks are related to the topic, subject and predicate. So students, firstly you have to read these questions very carefully. First question is, a group of words that makes a complete sense is called a. Students, we have discussed a lot on the topic what a sentence is. So students, can you tell me the right answer? A group of words that makes a complete sense is called a sentence. Now second question is, a sentence always begins with a blank and ends with a blank, blank or blank. Students, can you tell me the right answer? A sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop or interrogate symbol or exclamatory symbol. Now question number 3. A sentence can be divided into blank parts. Students, how many parts of a sentence? Yes, there are 2 parts of a sentence. So we can divide a sentence into 2 parts. Now fourth question is, noun or pronoun of any sentence is called the blank of sentence. Yes, the right answer is subject. Noun or pronoun is called the subject of a sentence. Now next question is fifth. The blank refers to the part which tells us something about the subject. Students, which part tells us something about the subject? That is predicate. Predicate tells us something about the subject. Now this question is, the predicate contains. Students, I have already told you that the predicate contains a verb. Now moving to question number 3. Question number 3 is, match the following columns. Students, there are 2 columns, column number A and column number B are given to you. Firstly, you read out the question which are given in column A. So you have to match column A with the column B. I'm explaining the column number A. First is a group of words. Second is a sentence can be divided into. Third is the coronavirus. Fourth is very dangerous for us. Fifth is a predicate contains the. Students, you have to match column A with the column B. A group of words. Students, can you tell me the right answer? A group of words. Is it verb? Is it predicate? Is it 2 parts? Is it subject? No, it is totally wrong. Is it sentence? Yes, the right answer is sentence. You have to match first question with E in column B. Second is, a sentence can be divided into. Students, how many parts of a sentence? There are, yes, 2 parts of a sentence. So you have to match question number 2 with the C in column B. Next is the coronavirus. It is a noun. Students, can you tell me the noun or pronoun? What is called it? Yes, this is the subject of a sentence. Next is very dangerous for us. Students, I think it tells something about the subject. So it is a predicate. Now last one is, a predicate contains a verb. Now moving to our question number 4. Very short answer type questions. Students, if you watched out the previous video, you can write all the answers of the given questions in a better way. Your first question is, what is a sentence? Second question, how many parts of a sentence? Third question, write the name of the parts of a sentence. Fourth is, what is the subject? Give an example. Fifth is, what is the predicate? Give an example. Students, firstly you have to read the questions and then write the answer of this question in your notebook. Now question number 5th is long answer type questions. What is a sentence? How many parts of a sentence? Explain it with examples. Students, firstly you have to write the definition of the sentence. Then you have to write the parts of a sentence. Students, a sentence can be divided into 2 parts. First part you have to write here and the second part you have to write here. Now, after that, you have to explain subject with its example and then you have to explain predicate with an example. Now moving to question number 6. Find out the subject in the following sentences. First is, the bicycle needs new tires. You have to find out the subject in the given sentence. Students, can you tell me the subject in the given sentence? Yes, the bicycle. The bicycle. How is it the right answer? Because it is a noun it is a noun. Now next question is, we had a picnic in the park. Students, can you identify the noun or pronoun in the given sentence? Yes, we. We is the pronoun, so it is a subject. You have to write the subject in the given space. Now next is, 2 cats chased each other across the street. Students, can you tell me a subject in the given sentence? Yes, the 2 cats. 2 cats is a noun, so it is the subject. Next one is, what are you doing here? Students, can you identify the subject in the given sentence? Yes, you. You is a pronoun, so it is a subject. You have to write you here. What are the children doing in the park? Students, can you identify the subject? Yes, the children. The children is a subject in the given sentence. Now question number 7. Underline the predicate in the following sentences. Students, you have to underline the predicate in the given sentences. Students, can you tell me what the predicate is? Yes, the predicate refers to the part which tells us something about the subject. So, the rest part, except of subject. Walked together. It is a predicate. It tells about the subject they. What are they doing? They walked together. Yes. Now second question is, we organized a baseball game. Students, can you tell me the predicate in the given sentence? Yes, organized a baseball game is the predicate because it tells something about the subject. Now next question, we won the game. Students, can you tell me the predicate in the given sentence? Yes, won the game. Won the game is the predicate because it tells something about the subject. Now fourth question, we played at the community park. Predicate is played at the community park because it tells something about the subject. Last one is food vendors set up booths at the fair. Students, can you tell me the predicate in the given sentence? Yes, set up booths at the fair because it tells something about the subject. Now moving to question number 8. In the question number 8, you have given two web charts. This is related about the sentence and its parts. In the first web chart, you have to write about the sentence. What is a sentence? Sentence is a group of words. It begins with a capital letter. It ends with full stop or interrogative mark or exclamatory mark. Now in the second web chart, you have to write the parts of a sentence. Students, a sentence, I have already told you about it. A sentence can be divided into two parts. First part is subject and the second part is predicate. Now moving to question number 9. Rearrange the following letters. This question is related about sentence and subject and predicate. Firstly, you have to rearrange these letters and make a meaningful word. In the question number 10, circle the subject and color it green pencil and underline the predicate with red color. Students, in the given question, you have to color the subject with green pencil color and predicate with the red color. For example, question of first is the children are happy. In the given sentence, what is the subject? Yes, the children. The children is the subject, so you have to circle it and color it with green pencil. And what is the predicate in the given sentence? Are happy. So you have to underline it with the red color. Now next question, Salim is absent today. In the given question, what is the subject? Yes, Salim is the subject. You have to circle it with the green pencil color. And what is the predicate? Is absent today. So you have to underline it. Now next question, the teacher punished Hamid. In the given question, the teacher is subject and punished Hamid is the predicate. Now next is the grandma always tells stories. In the given question, grandma is the subject and always tells story. So it is the predicate. And accept questions, from question number 5th to 8, you have to solve it yourself. I hope students you would have understands how you have to attempt assignments or worksheet. In the next video, we will discuss about the next topic. Till then, prepare your notes at your home and do the assignments and worksheet and revise it again and again. Take care and goodbye, students.